everyone, it's Lisa, and today I am going to show you some new Dior beauty, skincare, and some beauty items. Some that I have purchased and some that I have been sent. This video is in collaboration with Dior. They sent me this box of goodies and it was beautiful, beautiful. So I wanted to show you because this is how it is when you order things off of their website. They will send you, let me get the stuff that I bought out of here so I can shut it. It looked like I had gotten a new pair of shoes or a Dior bag. It was in this beautiful box with this ribbon, and I hated to even unwrap it. During the holidays, Dior always comes out with the most beautiful gift sets and limited edition products. So after I got this, I went to my counter, which is probably about 45 minutes away, but luckily I have a friend that works there, a girl that I've made friends with through working there. So I texted her, she was there, and so she got to show me a lot of the cool things I wanted to get. They've got this big makeup palette that has all kinds of beautiful lipsticks, eyeshadow. I believe it's just a full makeup palette, but it was already sold out. So I did get a few things from the limited edition. I'd already gotten, remember the eyeshadow palette that I got that you guys like so much that had the silver in it? That is one of the new, I believe it's called the Atelier of Dreams. Just beautiful. I really want to get the other one that has like the gold on the inside, the middle color. But today I'm wearing my favorite Dior palette, which is I believe it's called Soft Mink. And it's beautiful, beautiful. And then this lipstick that I can't wait to tell you about. And then my tutorial that I did on Monday, or Get Ready With Me, I showed you my new lip gloss. That is just gorgeous. It is the most beautiful nude sparkle. I think anyone would love that lip gloss. You also get all kinds of great samples. So let me show you what they sent me first, and then I will go through a few things that I purchased. I mean, this box is so pretty. You guys know I like pretty packaging. They sent me this super potent eye serum, Total Age Defying Intense Eye Contour Cream. I've been using this, and for those of you that love the cooling effect and this little wand, it's amazing how that can always stay so cool. I mean, I'm sure you could probably put it in the refrigerator and it would be even better, but I just use a little bit, then just smooth it under my eyes. And if I get too much, sometimes I will just take some to the other eye. I don't want to put too much on. I'm very thankful for that. This, I think so many of you would love this, and I think this is an amazing gift. If you have someone, Secret Santa, a niece, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, very beautiful. So this is the Dior Addict Makeup Glow set. And you get some of their best sellers. This is the Lash Primer. And you get this, which is the Backstage Face and Body Primer. Then you get their famous lip balm. I have been wearing this for years. This is really a good gift because everyone would love this. It's just their balm that turns color reviver balm. It doesn't turn the color of your lips, it enhances and revives the color of your lips. And then this lip maximizer. Remember I showed you one of these the other day. This color, oh gosh, I hope they have the name on here, but it's the plum color. Let me swatch it for you. 26 Plum. I think plums and mauves are the most go-to colors. A lot of times when I go to a makeup counter, I'll ask what's the most sold, most popular lip color, and 9 times out of 10, it's a plum or a mauve. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I wanted to show you because I didn't want you to think that it was going to be too dark. That is gorgeous. So it's just like that mauve color. That is beautiful. I will wear this soon, I promise, to show you. So that is just a wonderful, wonderful gift package. Then the iconic Overcurl mascara. I bought this the other day. I have been using it every day since. I've got it on today. Of course, I have it on with a quarter. I guess I cut about a quarter off of my lashes. I have them out here, but love it, love it. If I didn't, I would never mention it again. Very thickening. I think what makes this even I don't know, it's just as good as my Pump and Volume, which you know has been one of my favorites for years now. But I feel like this may get all the way to the ends of your lashes a little bit better. Maybe it's the brush hugs your lashes and like keeps them in the brush a little bit better. But I've been loving this. The formula is still thick enough and I've been happy with it. This is the lip maximizer that I purchased that I love. It's the Shimmer Nude. Let me swatch it for you too. It is beautiful. It's not, I wanted to show you like a puppet here. I just wanted to show you that it isn't too shimmery. It's just perfect. It just gives your lips that fullness. So you could wear it with a liner or without. They always give good samples. Here is a little sample card of all the lip glows. So there's the clear, which is the one I got, the pink, the rosewood, and the mahogany. I've heard that rosewood is a very good seller and I can see why. It's just gonna be just to enhance your lips. Think Angelina Jolie, Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, just that look of pretty lips, but not really screaming out a color. Okay, this is something that I purchased because I wanted a good eye makeup remover. I wanted something on those days that I need a little bit more than a makeup wipe, and I need to get all of my mascara off and all of my longwear lip liner and everything else off. And so Jackie suggested this. It is the Hydra Life Triple Impact Makeup Remover Cleanse, Soothe, Beautify. And I have been using this. One thing I like about it, it is the kind that you shake before you use it. I like that the cap comes off real easy. It isn't one that I have to push down like a childproof cap, and it has like this squeezy. So I can get just as much as I want to. I don't have to keep like shaking it out and shaking it out. I have enjoyed it. Their fragrances. First of all, I love their men's fragrance, their Sauvage. It smells so good. I could easily wear that, or it would be something great to get for a boyfriend or a husband or a brother-in-law. I cannot imagine anyone not liking that. It's very, very nice. This is the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. My favorite has always been the Miss Dior Blooming. I got that from my mom one year too. I loved it. This is a balancing and refining lotion. This is a great way to try things too. They sent me their Capture Total High Performance Gentle Cleanser. Jackie, I was asking her about some of the things, you know, like what was their bestseller. She said this is pretty new and it's gone over very well, that people love it. Love that it comes in this type of packaging. And I know a lot of people like a gentle cleanser. Sometimes even if I use my normal cleanser at night, I can use a gentle cleanser in the morning because I know I'm not really trying to remove a lot of makeup and everything else. I can use one of my more gentle cleansers and go from there. So just beautiful though. High performance. Instantly, the skin feels purified, fresh, and luminous. Free from impurities, the skin regains its youthful radiance day after day, instantly and long lastingly. It all has good skincare benefits. And then they sent me this, which is the Super Potent Serum. Beautiful. Okay, let's read. The first global age-defying super serum that allows exceptional skin revitalization and elevates the skin's youth-replenishing factors at their highest level for global skin correction. The serum is enriched with a self-vectorized effect. Its strong affinity with the skin allows it to penetrate to its heart and correct visible signs of aging, wrinkles, visible pores, loss of firmness, radiance, as well as color imperfections. Its powerful and beneficial formula offers a complete boosted correction. Instantly, the skin appears more supple and wrinkles are visibly smooth. After 7 days, the serum improves the skin's tone and radiance. The plumping effect intensifies over time for naturally fuller, firmer skin. In ideal form, the face is completely radiant instantly and lastingly. Apply in the morning and at night before your Capture Total skincare. So here it is. It's light. Let's see. And it is not heavily fragranced. It is a nice, light, it's not perfumey whatsoever. It's just a nice skincare scent. It's not vanilla, it's not minty, it's not spa smelling, it's just a pretty skincare scent. It's fresh. And then my gift at the counter was this really cool brush bag. And oh gosh, I need to go ahead and show you my favorite thing. But in here were some samples, some fragrance samples and things like that. And then, have you been looking at my lipstick? This is such a thrill to me. You guys remember long ago my lipstick that I love so much, Pink Accent? This, or the Dior like VIP pink. Now it is special edition, so you need to go ahead and order it. It is Rouge Dior Pink Rose Satin, and it's in this beautiful special edition, and it even has the special edition little stamp on it, but just look at that color. It is beautiful. If you've been with me, you know this is my old standby color. This peachy pink color with that, a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of, I can't think of the right word to say, almost like a spiciness to it. That's how this is. Just beautiful. But what I think this would really look good with is more of a, we'll use the word sienna, like that, almost like a burnt red type color to go with this and just kind of intensify it a little bit, and then let this be in the center, I think would be gorgeous. Let me swatch it for you. It's just beautiful. Look at that. I mean, look at that fire, like that glow it has to it. I hope that you see something that you think would be great for yourself or great for a gift, and go to their website and check out their new skincare, check out their gift packages, so many different, even like an advent calendar. There is one with fragrance. There's many different, gift combinations, and treat yourself. You will be just pleasantly surprised how pretty everything is and how much you like it. I think if nothing else, get this lip gloss, get this lip maximizer, and I think that Dior Glow is, oh, one more thing that I got the other day. Oh, I cannot believe I almost forgot this. I've been telling you for years, I love Dior nail polish. The brush is shaped perfectly for my nails. I'm gonna take it with me. I wanna get my toes done. The last time I got red, but I want like a nude. But see how the brush is shaped rounded? Here, let me go. Yeah, rounded at the end. So it goes right on your nail, and it's just so easy, and their nail polish lasts a long time. And this color I think is so pretty. It's just 2 coats, so you can see it's opaque, but not in a crazy opaque way where you see every brush mark, and it has a teeny tiny little bit of shimmer, just enough to make it look pretty. It's called Reuben 268. I got this at the counter too, I purchased it. So thank you so much to Dior for sending me these things and asking me to let you guys know about all of their holiday specials. And I will also link my favorites from Dior down below, like my concealer that I'm wearing now, many things. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.